Hey there. If your business runs on diesel, especially here in Papua New Guinea, you know the deal. Those operational costs, they can absolutely make or break you. So today, we're going to dive into how one simple change, a simple addition to your fuel, can tackle those costs head-on and really boost your bottom line.
Think about it. We all see the price at the pump, and that's already a big number, right? But honestly, that's just the tip of the iceberg. What if I told you that for every single liter of diesel you pump, you're paying for a bunch of hidden costs that never even show up on the receipt? That's the real question we're here to answer.
And there you have it. These are the big three, the silent profit killers. Now, fuel consumption, that's the obvious one, but it's the other two that can really hurt. Maintenance isn't just buying parts. It's scheduling, it's labor, and downtime. Oh, downtime is brutal. Every single hour that a truck or an excavator is just sitting there, it's not just sitting still, it's actively draining money from your business. These are the costs that can grind a project to a halt.
Okay, so here's our game plan. We've just touched on those hidden costs. Next, we're going to jump straight into a proven solution that's designed to fight them. Then we'll get into the science of how it works, look at the hard numbers, the savings, and finally wrap up with what this means for giving you an edge right here in PNG. All right, so the solution we're talking about is called DT5+, and it's from ProMad Performance Products. This stuff was basically made from the ground up to address those exact issues we just talked about: high fuel costs, constant maintenance, and that crippling downtime.
Now, what's really cool is the history behind this. This isn't some brand new, untested gimmick. ProMad's labs have been around since 1909, and the original DT5 formula, that was created way back in 1953. And ever since then, it's been tweaked and improved to keep up with today's advanced engines. We are talking about decades and decades of proven results.
And here's what we're talking about. It's a super concentrated treatment. It comes in all kinds of sizes, from a little 1-liter bottle all the way up to massive 208-liter drums, so it works whether you have one vehicle or you're managing a whole fleet's bulk storage tank. So, the big question, how does it actually work? Well, it's not magic, it's just really smart chemistry. Let's break down exactly what this treatment does inside your engine to get you those results.
First up, it acts as a powerful detergent. So think of this like a deep clean for the absolute heart of your machinery. It gets in there and removes all that nasty buildup. You know, the gums, the varnishes, the carbon, from your injectors, your valves, and pumps. And it's simple. A clean engine is an efficient engine. That translates directly to using less fuel and making your parts last a whole lot longer.
Next, it's a fantastic lubricant. You see, modern low-sulfur diesel is cleaner for the environment, but it doesn't protect your engine parts as well as the old stuff did. This means your pumps and injectors wear out faster. DT5+ adds this special ashless lubricant that creates a protective film, cutting down on friction and preventing those really expensive component failures. The bottom line is, it actively fights wear and tear. You know, water in your fuel tank is a huge problem. It leads to rust, that nasty sludge, and even bacterial growth. So, DT5+ has a surfactant in it. It basically finds any water, breaks it down into microscopic particles, and lets it pass harmlessly right through the system, where it just turns into steam. No more water means no more fuel contamination headaches. Simple as that. And this part is all about performance. DT5 has a combustion modifier that makes your fuel burn better, more completely. You know when you see that thick black smoke pouring out of an exhaust? That's literally unburnt fuel. It's wasted money and wasted power. DT5 helps turn that waste into useful energy, meaning you get more work, more power out of every single drop of diesel you buy.
Okay, the science sounds great, but let's talk numbers. Let's get to the part that really matters to your business. What kind of actual, tangible improvements can you expect to see on your balance sheet?
Let's start with the big one, fuel economy. We're talking about an improvement of up to 10%, and that's confirmed by government-certified tests. Just take a second. Think about your company's fuel bill for the year. Now imagine slashing that by 1/10. That's a massive, direct saving that goes straight back into your business.
And it's not just about saving fuel, it's about getting more done with the fuel you use. Those same tests showed a 9.5% increase in horsepower. That means your machines can work harder, they can work more efficiently, and that boosts productivity across your entire operation.
Now, for anyone operating in the cooler, higher altitude areas of PNG, listen up because this is crucial. DT5 has a cold flow improver that stops diesel from waxing up or gelling when it gets cold. What does that mean for you? No more clogged fuel filters on a cold morning. It means easier, more reliable starts, which cuts down on that costly downtime before your workday has even begun.
So let's pull all of this together. Let's talk about the total package. What's the real advantage for a business running right here in Papua New Guinea? What is the DT5 difference, really?
You see, this is where it all clicks. It's not about just one benefit. It's a chain reaction of savings. You start by using less fuel. While you're saving that money, the treatment is also cleaning your injectors, which means less maintenance. Less maintenance means less downtime. And at the same time, it's getting rid of water, stopping rust, making your filters last longer, and even keeping your turbos clean. Every single point on this list translates directly into money saved and a more reliable fleet.
And this quote right here just nails it. The key word is consistently. When you make this part of your regular routine, it delivers significant, measurable savings across the board. It's not a quick fix, it's a long-term strategy for making your entire operation more efficient and profitable.
So, it all comes down to a simple question. Are you ready to finally take control of one of your biggest expenses? The technology is proven, the savings are real, and the team is right here in PNG ready to help you get started. The details are on your screen right now. Honestly, this could be the most profitable call you make all year.